Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. We have cross stitch. All right, get that and put it away. All right, this bag comes from BiggestCraft, and we'll just start at the top. So first off, we have a tool, which is a lovely pair of scissors, and they were $2.99. Hang on, I'm trying here. Well, I figured that would just come right off, but it didn't. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Aren't they pretty? Of course, they're in the iridescent style. And they have lovely little markings there. Just beautiful. I was thinking maybe I had another pair, but nope. They're different. And they're very pointed at the end. I don't know how sharp they are. I just have some. Oh yeah, they cut very nice. And I have all kinds of fuzzies. So yeah, and they're not too big. As you can see, they're smaller than these. So they're what, about 4 inches? Hang on, let me get rid of the fuzzies that I just got everywhere. They are, yeah, about 4 1/4 inches. Trying to find the end there. Yep. Very nice. I like those. All right, so let's get on with the cross stitch. If I could just get everything together here. My mat. I should have made it a little bit longer, then I could tuck it in. Let me put those scissors over there, and we don't need those anymore. So let me get this open. All right, I am back. And I don't believe you can see this little picture, so I will put a better one right there. That is so cool. I just thought this was so different. And I don't know if it comes from one of the new stores or not. This one was $10.99. Has the product number, how big it is here. And it's 190 by 190. And has a nice pattern. Very easy to see. 35 colors. Very nice. But yeah, I just thought it was different. I really did. I liked it. Let's see. What colors do we have? You know? Oh, it does have 823 and 939. No, 3371, which is a dark brown. And this one has 3865 and 66 in it. I had another kit last week that was like that. So I'm assuming that's the snow in various shades. But very nice. Let me fold it in half. It'll be easier for both of us. Very easy to see. I can't tell how much confetti. It looks like it's going to have some in it because it has lots of detail. And of course you have your bigger areas up on top. So yeah, we'll see. Now, it also comes with an instruction page on how to start, how to finish. That comes with most kits, either on the paper pattern or not. Now, the paper pattern will match the canvas. And we do have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have the carp. Very nice. And the threads came in their own bag, and it also says how big it is and the product number on that, so everything will match. Now that's weird. Uh-oh, we are in trouble. I don't know if you can see this. Let me look. This number says 3036, not 3306. So, and this says 40 by 40. So they have the wrong threads with this. I don't know if they have the wrong sticker or they have the wrong threads. Because this is 310 black and there is no 310 black. Nope. So, yeah, this is the wrong threads for the wrong kit. Well, how disappointing is that? Well, that sucks. Yep. And the first color on this is 154, and that is not 154. This is. Yeah. And number 7 on this is 310 black. And on this, it is 415. So, well, that's disappointing. I will let them know. And put this right back into that bag so that I can take a picture of it to send to them. So, yeah, unfortunately, I don't know. That is so weird. The numbers are all the same numbers, but they're in the wrong order and the wrong size. So this goes to a different kit. I'm not even going to review this any further. Let's get along to the next one and see if we have better luck. All right, I am back. Is he not cool? He is so cool. He is one of the new kits. Yeah, I just thought this was beautiful. Just beautiful. Product number here. This is one with thread drops. And down here, it is a 40 by 65, 148 by 256. And this one was $10.99 as well. This has 36 colors. See if we did any better. Nice, big, ginormous pattern. Very nice. Very nice indeed. No smudges, no smears. There's going to be confetti, just so that you can get all the details here. Very nice. Let's look at its colors. No 310 black in this one either. We have 823, 939, 3371 in this one, which is a dark brown. 3865 and 66. So very nice. And this is nice and big and easy to read. It's an, oh, sorry. I thought I was going to sneeze. Very nice and easy to read and see all the symbols. Awesome. I love this. Hope it turns out just as well. Alright, we do have a toolkit. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And a carp again. Let's take a look at the threads. Alright, I am back. Now the threads did come in their own bag. And I wanted to show you that this is the product number. So 6072 is matching the paper pattern. I can't show you the canvas yet. And 72. There we go. Very nice. And let's take a look at those colors. Hopefully they'll be bright and vivid and everything that they're supposed to be. So it does have the turquoise and dark greens, dark blues. You have your browns and kind of a vivid color. What I'm trying to say is I'm not seeing any bright oranges. So very nice colors for the fox's face and some of these flowers and feathers. They're kind of muted down. There's not bright color. But look at that blue. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of thread here. A lot. I do love that turquoise or teal look. So we have a little bit of both. I don't know if I can get all three of them right there. Very nice. And of course you're going to have some grays and kind of a muted down green there. But there is kind of a dark olive. So very nice colors. Very nice. They're more on the rust tone, if you will. There's a little bit of brighter orange right in there, but not bright. So that's good. That's acceptable. Let me put that up there and we'll take a look at the canvas. And it is quite stiff. But nice big key, serged all the way around before I forget. But nice big, symbol areas. It's a little over 1/4 of an inch on each of them so you can see them all. But the canvas is printed very well. Very nice. I've been looking at this for a while, so I thought, well, why not, right? Yeah. And it is kind of long and skinny, being a 40 by 65. I'm looking. Oh, I lost my tape measure. Hang in there. We're gonna get it. All right, 65 centimeters, or almost 25 3/4 inches by almost 16 inches, or a little over 40 centimeters. Actual picture size is 13.5, or a little over 34 centimeters by 20, almost 23 inches, maybe a little bit longer than that, and almost 39 centimeters that way. So it's a good size. But I just think the colors in it are beautiful. The orange tones, shall I say, bring out the blues in this. So it will be beautiful. I've got to get this all wound up. So sorry. And then I'm going to fold it in half just so we can look at it. Looks like there's kind of confetti that goes in this thing that goes like that. And then there's bigger areas there. So they've spread the confetti out. The sides are a little bit confetti, but they do have bigger areas there. So very nice. I think we're going to have to start this one today. Yep, he is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love it. Now, BiggestCraft, thank you for sending me these lovely kits. And the scissors. I love the scissors. They are cool. I'll have to start using them today. If I can find them, I put them everybody back. Now I can't find what I'm looking for. We are having a day. There they are. That's what happens when you get several in a multicolor. they're kind of hard to pick up there. Very nice. And there's a bit of oil on there to make this all work well. They open up really good, and there's lots of room for your fingers, so that's a good thing. Now, BiggestCraft has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of the majors. And they always have a very wide selection, and they always have great prices. Now, if they have any specials, and if I have a discount code, I can't remember. I can't keep these all straight. I will put that at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. So do check them out. I will get with them and let them know about this other kit. I'm kind of upset because I really wanted to stitch on that, and I was going to potentially start it on Saturday for my winter, you know, my winter Saturday. Yeah, well, I guess that won't be happening. Alright, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.